Hello everyone, my name is Majid Rahimi and you are watching another video from Forex Basics. If you are new to these videos and know nothing about Forex, don't worry at all, you can see our first video by clicking here. Okay, let's see what we're gonna learn in this session. I talked about brokers in previous video. We will know what broker is, then we will talk about famous trading platforms as we promised, and finally we will install Metatrader and learn how to use it. If you're not a subscriber yet, you can just click on the subscribe button under this video and the notification bell to see the latest videos. Okay, let's start. What is a broker? Well, if you want to buy and sell in Forex market, you need to get connected with a network of other traders in this market to be able to buy and sell in a very short time. For you, this gate to this network is your broker. A broker is an individual or firm that charges a fee or commission for executing buy and sell orders submitted by an investor. There is a point in this definition. Broker will take you a small amount of money because of its services. In other words, connecting you to a network of traders has some costs for you, and it's called commission. There are other costs for each trade that you have to pay, like spread, slippage and swap. These amounts are not too much, but they must be considered in any strategy of trading. Brokers use some platforms to connect you to the Forex world. Some of the most famous platforms are listed here. Metatrader 4 and 5 as the most famous platforms, and also C-Trader and Ninja Trader are used in this market. We are going to explain Metatrader as the most used platform in this market. The other platforms has lots of similarities to Metatrader, and you can use them whenever you see that they are better platforms for your application. Okay, let's download and install Metatrader. You can find Metatrader in lots of brokers, but I searched Metatrader in Google and I want to download it from here. I will put the download link under this video in the description. We will click on this link. And now our download is ready. So let's start installation. Here, if you click on settings, you can change the installation direction, but we don't change default values. Next. Well, now the installation process is finished, and let's open it to see what's inside. Well, this is the window you are going to see when you install Metatrader and open the software for the first time. Metatrader needs to log into an account, and for the first time it has opened the demo account itself. If you want to open a demo account anytime, you should click on File at the top left corner of the software, and then click Open an account. In broker selection, do not make change, and next. You see that open a demo account to trade virtual money without risk is chosen, so click next. Fill out your information, check I agree checkbox, and choose your account type. Let me check what is wrong. I don't know what was wrong. I closed the window and opened it again, and after choosing my account type, the problems have been solved. Here you can choose the amount of money you are going to start your account with as your balance. Choose the leverage amount as we've talked before in the previous video, and then next, your new demo account is now ready, and this is your login, and this is the password, and this is the investor password which is used by an investor, which gives you the money to trade, and he can see what you've done and can make no changes. And finally finish. Okay, now let's see whole software. If we close the strategy bar, you can see that this software has a menu bar like many other softwares at the top, some toolbars for chart operation under that, a market watch window in left side, which includes currency pairs and other symbols with the prices, a navigator which shows counts, indicators, and so on. And at the center of the software, it's the biggest part for charts. In the bottom we have a toolbox we use for trading operations and get lots of information here. Watching this video is not enough to get a full understanding about the software, so I suggest you to install it yourself to see what it has. It's completely free and you can play with virtual money before you start playing with real one. Well, I want to start from charts because other windows and features are mostly related to charts. Well, let's close all the chart windows we have on the desk by right clicking and click on close and other close here. There's no chart visible in our Metatrader. Now, what should we do to bring a chart on the desk? Here in the market watch window, right click on one of the pairs and then click on chart window. Our empty chart window is ready. We click here to maximize the chart. We have many options to manage this chart and set our preferences for its appearance, for its price shows, its colors, and lots of other features. Let's start with the toolbar we have here for chart operations and doing lots of things with chart. You can see 3 different options to show the price. We will talk about them later. There are some elements to manage your chart up here. For placing orders, there's an option here. We will talk about the ways of placing orders in next video. There are other types of tools here for adding some features to a chart, like a line, for example, like that, or channel, like this. We are going to design our chart in next videos. In this video I'm going to show you the important options which are exist in menu bar and the market watch. Okay, in menu bar the important options you have to know is when you click on file, you can have new chart. You can save this chart as a picture by clicking on that. Open an account, as I've told you how to do that. Log into another existing trading account, and I think they are necessary to be tested by yourself. In view menu you can see the toolbars, standard toolbar, line studies and time frames. I will tell you what time frames are. And in view you can close and open the toolbars as you've seen. In insert menu we will work with indicators. You can test them and see what are they. For example, moving average. I will tell you what these tools are for, but for now it's necessary for you to get to know about whole software and its environment. In the market watch window, as you've seen, you can see the symbols and pairs here, and if you want to find the symbols your broker is going to support, you can click here to add symbols and search for it. For example, XAU, USD or gold. To see all the symbols that your broker is supporting, just right click here and click on symbols. You can see whole symbols in markets and you can bring them into Market Watch. You can see that NZD-CAD is now added here. There's a point that I want to tell you about these pairs and in the Market Watch window, that you can see that there are two prices in front of any pairs: bid price and ask price. And if you watch to one of these pairs, you can see that ask price is higher than bid price. If I want to explain it to you simply, it just means that the broker will sell you the same thing at a higher price. This is called spread. The difference price between ask and bid is called spread. This is one of the costs you have to pay for each trade, as we've talked before. Well, this video has come to its end. In the next video we're going to explain some terms of trading in forex like balance, equity, margin and so on, and then we will talk about different types of orders, and finally we would end up with some examples from Metatrader. Share your opinions about this video in comments. Share this fully free course to anyone you think they might need it. Have a good time and bye.